Time now for Ask the Expert. Tax season is here. January 20th was the first day to file, and there's an important reason to file early to avoid identity theft.
Financial professional Kevin Klug from Secure Retirement Solutions here to talk about how we can avoid becoming a victim. And this is a big thing now. Identity theft and taxes go together.
We do. We need to be concerned because last year the IRS paid out over $5 billion to people that had filed fraudulent tax returns. And we've got to be very careful because what they do is they file a fraudulent tax return and then you have to file your own and it's blocked, and then it takes several months to get your return back.
Yeah, it's happened to my sister-in-law actually. So how do we protect ourselves?
You want to file early. Step one, you want to file early. If you have your return filed, that way if somebody tries to file one as well, yours is already in there, so theirs will be denied.
Right.
Step two is you want to e-file, electronically file. It's a lot quicker, a lot safer, and if you are going to e-file, make sure that you use a private computer and check your email or your spamware and all that kind of stuff. And number three, you want to really protect your personal information. Often if somebody contacts you, the IRS is not going to contact you by social media or email or text. So make sure you're aware of that. If you do file a complaint, and and you can check my website at srsplans.com to check out how to do that. So.
Okay, we've become a victim. What do we do then?
Contact the IRS and stay in touch with the IRS throughout the entire process. You also might want to contact the Federal Trade Commission, file a complaint there, also with your local police department, and contact the 3 credit bureaus as well.
Is that complicated, getting all that undone if somebody files fraudulently in your name?
It does. It takes time, and you really have to be diligent and stay on top of it. Otherwise, it can get away on you.
Broad tax question now. Is this going to be a more difficult season than most for taxpayers?
It is, and the IRS is already telling us that. You once again get your tax return in early to beat the rush. There were some tax cuts, some hiring freezes, and overtime that was reduced. Even the commissioner said recently that maybe half the people that call in for help will not be able to reach anybody, and it's going to take longer to process your returns.
Okay, so we get the refund if you're getting one. What should we do with it? Buy a new pair of shoes?
No, most people, yeah. It's probably the single largest sum of money you're going to get for most people throughout the year. So try to, use it to maybe pay off credit card debt, set up your emergency fund, contribute to a retirement plan rather than short-term enjoyment, if possible.
Like shoes.
Well.
Or divide that number by 26 and reduce your paycheck withholding by that amount for the next year.
There you go, yes, so they don't have the money. Correct.
There you go.
Very good.
Kevin, thanks.
Thank you.
Got a question for any of the experts? Here's how you do it. Ask the expert at TMJ4.com, or you can leave a voicemail at the number right there on your screen. See